true. Alright, yo, so we out here. You know how Jake and I have been loving these roadside coffee stands? Lo and behold, there's a little coffee stand called the Java Loop. And it's one of our little favorite kind of places. We roll up, right?
In the loop.
And the lady goes, "Hey, how can I help you?" And we're like, I don't know. She goes, "Well, our special, we can do Red Bull slushy type drinks." So I'm like, what? Right? Jake's like, "I have a red eye coffee. I like coffee." I'm like, "Give me one of those Red Bull things." So this lady cooks up this unreal Red Bull milkshake thing. This is honestly one of the best things I've ever had in my entire life. It's watermelon flavored Red Bull milkshake. It's insane. I've never had anything better. Are you kidding me? I'm off the wall. I'm everywhere. You don't even know where I am. Red Bull milkshake. I'm speechless.